Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali Cake, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get this easy smoky eye. If you would like to see how I got this smoky eye, please keep watching. So I'm starting off with this dark brown, and I'll be putting that all over the top of my eye. Okay, so now I'm going in with this black, and I'm putting that on the lid, and I'm blending the brown and the black together. So here I'm going in with black and brown and blending it together so it look more seamless. So now I'm going in with this lighter brown, and I'll be putting that in the brow bone and blending it together. I found the street of a house in which she stayed. So I'm just looking at the colors, going in with the brown, going in with the black, going in with the brow bone color, and just, you know, blending everything together. I'm going in with my liquid liner, and I'll be drawing wings. And here I'm going to with my concealer in dark cocoa just to clean up the wing. And then I just take in my beauty blender to blend it out, and then I'll be going in with some brown powder just to set the concealer after drawing the wing. And I'm just going to line my waterline with some black eyeliner. And I'm just going to put on some clear lip gloss by Sacha. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I found the street of a house in which she stayed. And the flowers pour with a name on every page. Cause I read them like a floor enough for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.